going on, guys? Welcome back to the Let Dirt Fly YouTube channel. It's been a little while. I unfortunately got a little sick.
You got the Rona.
I got the Rona. I had COVID. Wasn't that bad though, but I appreciate everybody that reached out to me. A bunch of you guys did. I didn't get it that bad luckily, but still was not a fun time. Don't recommend it. Anyway, so today we are back in action. We're at my house today, which you guys probably, if you guys are familiar with the channel, you probably know the spot.
Seen it a ton of times.
That's right. So since last time you guys saw us actually riding the quads, you might have caught the last video where I put some extended trailing arms on my quad. So today we're going to be testing out to see how much of a difference this makes. I know rubbing wise, obviously I'm very good now because I have like 2 or 3 inches of clearance. But I want to see how badly it's affected doing water wheelies and stuff like that. So hopefully we're going to find some deep water thanks to Hurricane Ida there. And I also got myself a Goldfinger throttle, or left-handed throttle.
Well, we will see. Also with one of the things that Marshall did, because his fronts were still rubbing, you know, what he did is he shifted back his floorboard, which is about a half an inch.
Yeah, so there is a little bit of wiggle room if you use a Dremel tool. I was able to pull my floorboard back about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch, not much, like 3/8.
So it might be just enough.
Might just be enough. I got my suspension tightened all the way up with the preload, and I also did trim a little bit in here. Hopefully no rubbing today.
So if it doesn't rub, you know, and you guys are thinking about extended swing arms, blah, blah, blah.
This could be your setup.
This could be the setup.
We're going to find out and see how bad I water wheelie now. Hopefully she still pops up. I think she will.
She'll water wheelie.
I know in dry ground she's not as good. It takes a lot more effort to do a wheelie because it's got 2 extra inches. Believe it or not, that's a lot of leverage when you're trying to do wheelies. But alright, so right now we're going to get the helmets on. Catch you guys on the trail. Alright folks, it has been a while.
Yes sir.
I gotta remember how to ride my quad. Now, I've actually been riding my girlfriend's new quad, which you guys might have seen on our Instagram. If you're not following us on Instagram, you should do that right now. But, oh, and I forgot to mention one other thing in the intro. I actually don't have my exhaust on right now. I have my stock exhaust. Tall Pines did a number on my HMF Titan QS system there, and yeah, it turns out it was basically completely plugged, so I had to send it out and have them repack it, because I guess they don't sell like public repackable kits. They have to do it in-house, I guess. I don't know, so gotta pay for that. Sucks. But I'm gonna be putting the HMF Snorkel on my exhaust, so hopefully prevent that from happening again.
I actually had to repack my exhaust too. Mine was completely plugged up, so
I forgot. Oh, I haven't been this way in a while. That tree fell. Yeah, we haven't been back here since, well, I went the other way on the trails, but I haven't been back this way since Ida. Oh, this is deep. Oh, I'm so soaked now. Maybe I should have waited to do that instead of getting myself soaked right away. My camera's probably screwed. Nope, yep, it's wet. Oh, dude, she's deep.
Yeah.
She's up to the banks.
Nice.
Oh,
where she used to be.
This tree has not moved. I forgot about this. Sorry.
I didn't see that tree down.
No, yeah, this just happened. I don't know if it was Ida or when it happened. I can't see anything with these goggles on, it turns out.
No.
Yay.
Hey, there's the rock that was in my glove.
Alright, so I guess first things first, let's see how this thing water wheelies and go to a little spot that's kind of fun. Let's see if she still comes up. She still comes up a little bit. I had it in 4-wheel drive though. Oops.
I love the way my exhaust sounds off the water. It sounds so much louder.
Dude, she's deep today. I don't know if we're gonna be able to go down the stream down the other side.
We'll find out in a few minutes.
She might be a little too spicy for us. Because I mean, this is deeper than it's been in a long time right here. Hey, let's see if she still comes up here. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Comes up good.
I told you, in the water it shouldn't be an issue.
No, because you got the lift from the water. Except it lifted me right towards the
bank?
The bank, yeah.
Oh crap. Did that tree actually go, or is it just underwater?
I think it's not there. Hang on. So usually we come down this way and there is a big old tree. Wow, she's gone.
Well, I guess we'll find out here in a second.
Did somebody come through here? Because, I mean, look at this. It's like all...
Yeah, Ida came through here.
Yeah, I know, but...
Dude, the water was probably up 3 feet deep.
I might wait this out, dude.
Marshall, you could see where the water was. It was up at least another 2 feet.
Hang on, I might wait this out, dude.
All right, wait her out.
My exhaust out?
More or less, yeah.
More or less. We've never been down this way.
Not that we have very far to go, but...
Yeah, there's not much to turn around. Oh, it's not that much deeper. It's only like a little hole right there. Okay, it's not bad. I don't know where we can really go. Yeah, dude, the water level was like up there.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, she still water wheelies beautifully. Oh, yeah. Alright, I'm happy now. I was scared it was going to be really bad. Now let's see if we can get out of here, because this bank's going to be rough with the water actually up there.
Can't see all the trenches.
No, so I'm just going to kind of aim. Actually, I might have smoothed out the trenches, dude. I didn't think about that. Oh, God. Might need to try out my Goldfinger already. Thought my belt was wet for a second. Is my belt wet? My belt's wet.
Really?
Yep. Hang on, we got a drainer. Well, we sat there for so long in the water.
Yeah, but that shouldn't. Oh no!
Oh no! We can still go death pit. Alright, hang on, folks. We gotta drain my belt box apparently. Alright, guys. So we just got to our bounty hole spot, and unfortunately, Ida took her toll on our mud spots here a little bit. But we're still gonna do the bounty hole because it's right here. Seth's gonna stand back a little bit with the expensive camera here because I'm just gonna pin it, and I'm probably gonna have a lot of belt spin because my belt's still not totally dry, so it's gonna be great. All right, just taking my lockout pin here for my left-hand throttle. There we go. All right, so might have some belt spin. Not sure yet, but we're still gonna let it rip tater chip. There we go. All right, I'm about to get soaking wet. I know it.
Let's watch these 31s work. There you go. Oh, a little Goldfinger action. I'm getting eaten alive by these mosquitoes. My God.
Not sure if it wants light throttle or heavy throttle.
There's a lot of water, so it shouldn't be a clean out issue.
Come on, baby.
A little bit more. You got like 2 more feet. This might be hard to come out of.
Good stuff.
There you go. There you go. Oh, look at him walking it out with the Goldfinger.
Sucker! I'm waiting
good.
after that one. Dang. I didn't send it like I wanted to because I hit a root or something and it jogged me.
You didn't want to be bumped around the hole like I did that one day?
Yeah. 850 time, boy. All right, let's see how Seth gets on here. Here we go. can't see you behind the weeds. Hey, your quad's quiet. Dang, those freaking Tarachis, man. They eat. Yeah, buddy. Those Tarachis have such insane bite. Definitely a little bit better than the XM310s with this stuff. Oh yeah. Alright. Oh. What was that?
Happened again.
Happened what again? Backfired?
No, the plastic.
How the heck does that keep happening, dude?
I don't know. I guess the Tarachis are just catching it.
I thought you popped an axle. I was like, uh-oh. You got yourself a little stick there.
What's that?
Got yourself a little stick there. Good job.
Yeah, I don't know why these Tarachis are grabbing this.
Alright, so I have to apparently make my own path to get around this ginormous tree, which actually turned out to be way easier than I thought. But it actually lined me up for the mud trench here, so why not go into it backwards? If I don't flip in.
Looky.
Oh, left-handed throttle. Look at Seth. The left-handed throttle pays off once.
There you go. I don't remember how deep this normally is.
That's usually not too bad. Oh yeah, mud trench is pretty soupy today.
Dude, this puts so much silt in here.
Dude, I know. Like my footboards right now are full of silt. How deep is it?
Oh, I'm on this rock.
Heckin' rock.
Let's take a look. It looks like it's probably about regular height. It's hard to tell though.
Woo. Getting all cockeyed here.
What do you think?
I see a branch laying across it down there. I don't know if that's going all the way across.
Oh. Do you think it's about normal height or?
It looks a tiny bit higher.
Tiny bit shouldn't be bad, right?
I don't know. We'll save it for a rainy day. Well, maybe not a rainy day because that'll make it deeper. We are snorkeled. Seth's only got the air intake snorkel higher, so his CVT.
I have the just in case.
You might get your snorkel wet going through there. My problem is when it gets too deep, these tires like to float a lot. As I found up in tall plants. I can't even hear my quad running with your quad right now.
Yeah, my quad feels loud right now.
Ah, that's better. This is pretty wet in here. This spot got deep here. My quad is definitely down on power because of this exhaust.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. See, like when I hit the gas, it goes, but it's just like what?
Good.
Dude, this looks pretty good today.
A little saucy.
Alright guys, so this spot it used to be probably one of our worst spots, but
yeah, it was bad.
The mud kind of worked its way out. Now it's just clay on the bottom. Maybe I lied. The first little section you went through was pretty soft.
Oh, there's a lot of silt in here.
Is there?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That water moved a lot of silt. I didn't quite get that, I don't think. I might have.
That's some dirty mud. This is gonna be nasty through here.
Critters.
Oh, you're just scraping bottom. Thanks for just running it up more for me. Really appreciate it, bud.
I got mud inside my helmet on my face.
Disco lock failing me a little bit. It's running on 1. It's back on 2 now. Oh. Alright, we're gonna go play in here?
Yeah, this is where the Beaver Dam was, and it definitely washed out.
I don't know if this is a bad idea going in this way. Alright, boy, let's see it. Let's see how deep it is. I don't think it's that bad. Oh, that was a little gnarly. There you go. I'm taking a completely, what do you call it, away? There's little fishies. Your quad does not like to steer today.
No.
Oh. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Oh. Go that way. No, go that way. No, go that way. Go that way. Okay. You're not listening. The only thing that sucks with going 2-wheel drive and the front tires are just plowing through it, doesn't freaking do crap for steering.
No. Oh, were you in 2?
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't need that 4-wheel drive around here, boy. Still on 2-wheel drive, man.
I just left it in.
Drive life, man. See it. Boom. 2-wheel drive. Then XM's oh, I just bottomed out in the back.
Oh, yeah, did you bottom out on that rock or something in there?
Yeah, there's like one right there by a tree.
Yeah.
Oh god, there's a random rock right there. I'm trying to get a water wheelie going here, but quad has
I just wheelied right into that rock. Come on. Come on.
No, really? I slid sideways into the tree. But
it's doing it. It's not coming back.
Try to get it out over here. Woohoo!
Ow.
What are you doing, dude? Here, I'm gonna pull up over here out of the water. See if we can figure something out real quick. I don't think we can get that side panel off without the panel popper. Still down cylinder? Doesn't sound like it.
Right now it's back, but
here, bring it to the flat spot down here.
now it's on 2.
Well, when it sets in idles, it does it. This freak is just not popping a code either.
Because when I changed the plugs out, the rear one, which is the easier one to get to, was the one that was more fouled.
Yeah.
So.
Hey folks, we just stopped real quick, just looking at Seths Quad. Just not sure what's going on with it. It keeps dropping the cylinder out. It only seems to be when it's getting wet for whatever reason. He did change the spark plugs and then dielectric greased the boots and everything, and the connector for the spark plug. And he put them back together. So I'm not exactly sure what it is. I don't know if it's an injector issue at this point or what it might be, but right now it still runs fine for the most part until it gets a lot of into like a lot of deep water and whatnot. All right, let's see if we have any trees down this way, folks. Oh God, if I can make it there. God, these rocks are annoying in here. Ugh.
It's this
like,
one, really.
Yeah, it's that one sharp one. Oh God. There we go. All right. We are rocking and rolling now here. Okay, let's see here. Oh my God, dude, the grass.
Wow.
We haven't been here in a month or so.
Jesus, look at that.
Where's the swamp at?
Seriously, holy crap.
I'm not even gonna bother getting up and filming this. Let's just hit it. Oh, dude, our axles are gonna hate us today. Oh boy. Okay. Apparently it's a little thicker wrecker here today. Oops, I good.
Hasn't been hit.
Hasn't been hit in a
Lots
month.
of water movement.
There she is. There she goes.
There she was.
Come on, baby. Oh, are you getting stuck? I think I got the short end of that one. Oh, I'm wheel hopping now.
Coming over that real soft didn't help me. That's not good.
All right, there we go.
That's not good.
Oh my God, dude, these freaking weeds. Oh, don't tell me you're stuck right there.
Might be.
What's the matter, buddy? You stuck on the log or something?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Uh-oh, you might have it. You got her. There she is.
Two Ratchies.
Tarachis, whatever. Alright folks, so we just made it down to the swamp here. I think we're just gonna hope for the best with Seths Quad because it's missing a little bit, but right now it seems to be okay. It hasn't been misfiring on the one cylinder right now, but yeah, the swamp has grown in the last month because we have not been down here in a minute because we went to Tall Pines. That was like what, 2.5 weeks ago? Something like that? 3 weeks almost? Almost 3 weeks because I had COVID. But yeah, so should be a good time though. We're still gonna have some fun with it. Probably gonna rip axle boots, but you know, it's all in the name of fun. So right now, Seth is gonna go ahead and hit the old reliable hole, I guess we could call it. It's a fun little hole. Fun to splash in because you can kind of really hit it hard. And then I guess we're gonna have to. We'll go hit the main swamp run, which is probably gonna be really bad today. So stick around. All right. I don't know how good this is gonna come out because half of it's weeds. Let's see it, boy. She's juicy today. Oh. He got it. He got it.
Now it's doing it.
Breaking up. Yeah, he's on. I don't know if you guys can hear that. He's on one cylinder right now. And now it's back on two. Dang. What are we gonna do with this guy? It's angry. Well, let's see how 425cc Can-Am does. It is not liking it. I wanted to throw a coat so we can actually see what the heck it is.
I was hoping to. Now it does.
Something's getting wet that shouldn't be getting wet. That's basically the moral of the story right now.
It's got to be a wet thing.
Something's not happy when it gets wet. When we get back to my house, we'll just have to pull the panels off and we'll power wash it real quick and see if we can't find out what the heck's going on with it. Do you have the dielectric grease with you?
I have dielectric grease with me.
All right, so we'll start pulling stuff and then I guess we'll go down to we had to go down to the stream anyway to get your panels afterwards, so. Yeah, he had to take his panels off. Oh, thought I was gonna get that on camera. Nope. Going for a swim. All right, let's see here what the 650 can do. Hopefully better than the 425 Can-Am Outlander.
XMR.
You
keep leaving out the XMR. It looks like you probably did about the same.
All right, let me see if I can get a good send descent here. Oh. This doused me, man.
Good thing I was cleaned out for Marshall.
Oh, you're funny. Well, now I'm about to go try to attempt my way through that.
Yeah, I
might give you the 9 for that.
I'm gonna tap on that for right now, just because the way she's reacting.
All right, here is the good old swamp run. Usually this is like really bad. It's gonna be really bad. It's gonna be really silty because of the what do you call it? But I got my left-hand throttle, so let's see if it helps with some body movement and some weight shifting here. That was a hell of a send. Dude, it's thick.
You really said that. I wasn't expecting you to dig holes in the beginning.
Huh?
So I wasn't expecting you to dig holes in the beginning.
It's bad, dude. I gotta break through that mud shelf.
little longer than a few minutes later.
Gosh dang. Got a little America flying over. Badass. This one feels beached.
What's that?
This one feels beached. You know what it is? It's like I'm hitting a wall. I back up a little bit and I hit it and I can get right over top of it.
Maybe not right over top.
Dang, dude. I'm shot now. That right here. Freaking get out of the swamp easier than I came in. Yeah, it's a little easier now that I freaking got rid of all the bugs. Turns out. Seem to have good power now. Easy there, boy.
I was trying to keep my motor up.
Alright guys, so we actually made it back to my house and we finally figured out what's going on with Seths Quad.
Yes, we did.
What we got going down, dude?
Okay, so the spark plug boot is torn. So when it gets into the water,
She starts grounding out.
the water gets in there, starts grounding out, blah, blah, blah.
Cuts the cylinder, turns
So,
out. So right now, Seth's actually going to be rocking my quad for a minute because we have to go retrieve the rest of his quad that he left back in the trail. He left his inner fender wells.
At the bounty boat.
But what am I gonna take, dude? I hear a V-twin.
So you're gonna take the 500.
Oh, you guys haven't seen this yet. Maybe you have if you looked on our Instagram. So I just picked this thing up for my girlfriend. So this is a 2013 500. These are actually my stock XMR wheels. I'm just gonna pretend you guys didn't see us because we're actually gonna do a little build series on it. We're gonna do the XMR snorkel and stuff on it to make it a little more trail worthy for the trails we go down. So right now, we'll just have to catch you guys down by the stream and actually we'll probably catch a little bit of video going down there. Why not? All right, 500 power, baby. So I do have a clutch kit on the way for this bad boy. He still rips with the 28, surprisingly. You want to go first because I just want to see where the water level is on you. Because I don't want to have to drain the belt box, but... So basically...
Am I in 4? No.
You're in 2. This is the deepest spot is. I think she's golden. It's like right on top of the belt box, isn't it?
Yeah.
That should be good, because I think it's right a little bit below the seat.
For the
CVT.
CVT exhaust is below the seat?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nothing.
It's pretty high. We're just going to find out. I know the air intake's not going to go under, so we're good. But yeah, that's going to be another thing. I don't know how this thing's going to get out here. Here we go. Does it get wet?
Stay on it. Yeah, your tires are not going under, they're barely going under. There you go.
Yeah, it's just a little boggy. Here goes nothing, I guess. Definitely not too deep for it.
There you go. Just run. Oh, I didn't realize all that was there.
Little boggy. Needs clutch kit, turns out. Yeah, she's got it. What are you doing in my quad?
You and your freaking wide ass tires.
That's not a wide tire thing. That's a driver issue, man.
That might be.
I don't know. You think I should try the mud trench real quick with this thing?
How deep is it?
Too bad. I just gotta watch the other end.
Are we gonna play around in here for a few minutes?
Well, I was just gonna attempt. Well, you go into the mud trench. I want to see how bad it is. Like I know my quad. It might be a little deep for it. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Oh, that might be a little problem. Yeah, it might be a little too deep for this. Mostly concerned about the CVT getting wet. Yeah, see if I swing it to the side like that, that's what I worry about.
Did like a hard freaking 180 there. Yeah, over here it's probably a little deep for her.
Let me go slow.
Huh.
That's all. Oh yeah.
It gets worse just up there.
Does it?
Yeah. What side is it on?
This side. I hear the exhaust getting wet. Hey, it did something. I don't think it's gonna make it through the trench, dude.
Probably not.
I know it'll do it. It's just I don't know about the belt getting wet. I really don't feel like draining the belt. I'll skip this for today. Once I get the work this and then come around to the other side. Here we go.
Bending all hope.
There we go. He's boggy. He's a clutch kid bad. Alright, so Seth's gonna attempt the bounty hole, our bounty hole, backwards. My quad. Go figure. You already got yourself pretty stuck, huh?
Oh wait a minute, I have a gold finger too.
Yeah. You trying to make my radiator get dirty, bud?
I'm making your quad look good. I'm making it do stuff that you can't. Ha 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 ha.
Clean it for a minute, but nice.
It is.
There you go.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
My quad made you look good. This thing is not set up for mud at all. This guy needs some work, especially the clutch kit department. This thing's struggling to turn these 28s. Seth has a set of 27s though. I might throw those on. Not sure yet. See how the clutch kit does. But right now I'm probably gonna head back to the house and we'll probably wrap it up there with you guys. All right guys, just made it back to the house here. This was actually ended up being a really good ride because A, we finally figured out what's going on with Seths Quad.
Yes.
It's been driving us nuts trying to figure out because anytime we'd make it back to the house with it, it always fixed itself.
Yeah, no. So, not really sure how it tore, stick, whatever, but...
We think that's the problem because I mean, it's pretty clear.
Well, yeah.
It's ripped bad.
When you sprayed the water right on it, it bogged
Yeah.
instantly. That'll be nice to have that not being an issue anymore.
Yeah, I'm surprised they didn't do that at tall pines though.
I can't believe
Besides the bogging of their plugged exhaust or whatever.
Yeah, I mean, this thing was deep at 12 pines, so...
Maybe the mud just was so caked on top of the spark plug that it just acted like an insulating barrier at the point because that mud was bad. I mean, it was bad enough to where my exhaust right now is getting rebuilt by HMF. But the other cool part about this video, which I wasn't even planning on doing at all, was bringing out the new to us, 2013 Outlander 500. It needs a little bit of work to make it semi-mud because that's kind of what we're going for, semi-mudding. Because she's probably not going to ride that much mud with it. It's more going to be a trail rig, but we want it to be able to kind of do kind of what I did today, just a little bit deeper possibly, because sometimes my girlfriend might want to come for a ride with us, just hang out, but
you gotta get to the spots.
Yeah, you got to be able to ride to the spots, and sometimes you got to go through some deep water. So, but I mean, today was still fun. It was great to get back on the quads because it's been a rough couple of weeks for me, and then I had to quarantine for another extra week or whatever because it was 10 days, whatever it is. Blah, blah, blah. But I'm doing better now, back in action. But all right guys, so with that, make sure you guys are liking, subscribing, and commenting down below. We really appreciate all the support, and like I said, thank you guys for wishing me to get better and everything. Appreciate it, and I'm all well now. So Seth, where can they find us, like outside YouTube?
Outside of YouTube, where can they find us? Instagram, is that one of them?
Yup, that's one.
Facebook.
Yep.
And I believe the last one is TikTok.
Yes, that one, yep. But we'll have to catch you guys next time on
Let There Fly.
Have you forgotten where you were?